Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error with a USB flash drive, pen drive, whatever you want to refer to it as, and that it's failing to work as intended. And you're coming across this error. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. First thing is first, make sure you back up your flash drive files, because there's no telling what this is going to do. You probably definitely want to make sure that you clear your files out of there. So probably you actually want to back it up to another folder on your desktop or somewhere, or another flash drive perhaps, because what we're going to do, there's a chance that it's going to remove the information on the flash drive if it's not already corrupted, which is certainly a possibility, to be completely honest with you guys. And that's even before doing anything in this tutorial. But again, I want to stress that if you're able to access the drive, you want to go ahead and recover whatever you can from it before you proceed. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up File Explorer. So you just right click on the taskbar icon and just open it up, select File Explorer, or you could search for it in the Start menu, and then select this PC on the left side. You want to locate whatever your flash drive letter is here. So you might have multiple flash drives. Just unplug everything except for the one flash drive you want to actually do the scan with, so it leaves less room for confusion. And you can see the drive letter is an F drive, so this is F and then a colon. So that's very important here, because I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it, and in the middle of the command there's the letter F followed by an asterisk or a star. You're going to swap out that F with the drive letter that's applicable in your situation. So that's why I point that out right now, and you want to make sure you take note of whatever this drive letter is. If it's already F, congratulations, you don't have to change anything. But if it's an E, D, A, B, any letter between A and Z virtually, you would have to change it, unless it's F, in which case you are in luck, because that's the exact command I have in the description of the video, so you can just copy that verbatim. So we're going to go ahead and close out of there and open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I am going to paste this command into the top bar of the command prompt window here by right clicking on it. I'm going to select Edit, and then I'm going to paste it in. You could tap Control V if you want. And again, this is what I was saying here. You see this F? This is going to be the drive letter, so if you need to swap it out, this is the time. Probably want to just open it up in a notepad file or something, type the letter in, and then paste it into the command prompt. So it's just one extra step. Just paste it into Google search for all I really care, to be honest. Type in whatever the drive letter is, and then copy it again, and then paste it into the command prompt. So again, just one extra step if you need to swap it out with a different letter. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and hit enter on our keyboard. So in our case, I kind of cheated a little bit and used a system drive, and that's why it's showing that access is denied. But if you actually had a legitimate flash drive, like an actual true flash drive, and not just some partition on your computer, then it would work successfully. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.